Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of nonprofit fundraising, specifically the ever-important question, how much does NeonPay charge? Now, for those unfamiliar, NeonPay is a payment processing platform built specifically for nonprofits by Neon One. It integrates seamlessly with their CRM software, making it a convenient one-stop shop for managing donations. But convenience often comes with a cost, and that's what we're here to dissect today. So, if you're a nonprofit leader or fundraiser considering NeonPay, buckle up. We'll break down their fee structure, explore some hidden costs, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right fit for your organization. The headline fee, not the whole story. Let's start with the headline number you might find on Neon One's website, 3.5% plus 30 cents per transaction. This applies to credit card processing, which seems fair on the surface. Many payment processors charge similar rates. But here's the thing, that's just the tip of the iceberg. NeonPay also charges additional fees depending on the payment type. ACH/e-check, 1% plus $1.25 per transaction. This can be a significant difference if you receive a lot of donations through bank transfers. American Express, an additional 1% on top of the standard credit card rate. These additional fees can quickly add up, especially for organizations receiving a mix of payment types. The hidden cost, donor-covered fees. Now, NeonPay offers a feature called donor-covered fees, which allows you to pass the processing cost onto the donor. This can be a great way to keep your organization's bottom line healthy. However, there's a catch. Reduced donation amounts, donors might be less likely to donate the full amount they intended if they see a processing fee tacked on at checkout. This can directly impact your fundraising efforts. Psychological impact. Studies show that seeing a processing fee can feel like a hidden cost, potentially discouraging donations altogether. Beyond fees, considering value. While fees are certainly important, they're not the only factor to consider. Here are some additional aspects to weigh when evaluating NeonPay. Convenience. The integration with Neon One CRM can be a huge time saver for managing donations and reconciling transactions. Security. NeonPay boasts built-in fraud protection, giving you peace of mind about the security of your donors' information. Customer support. Having a dedicated support team for payment processing issues can be invaluable, especially for smaller organizations without an in-house finance department. The final verdict, it depends. So, the big question, is NeonPay worth it? Unfortunately, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your specific needs and priorities. Here's a quick breakdown to help you decide. Choose NeonPay if you primarily receive credit card donations. Convenience and integration with Neon One CRM are crucial. You have a dedicated team to manage donor relations and mitigate the potential impact of processing fees. Explore alternatives if you receive a significant number of ACH/e-check donations. Minimizing donor fees is a top priority. You have a limited budget and want to prioritize lower processing costs. Remember, you have options. Research other payment processing solutions that cater specifically to nonprofits. Compare fees, features, and customer support before making a decision. NeonPay can be a valuable tool, but it's important to be aware of all the associated costs and potential drawbacks. By carefully considering your needs and researching alternatives, you can choose the payment processing solution that best supports your organization's mission and financial health. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy fundraising.